Okay, welcome back. This is Motech YouTube channel. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video, we are going to learn how to do data recovery, how you can recover all of your lost files. So I'll use Disk Drill. This is the application, as you can see it from my desktop. If you don't have it, you can download by using Google. Just write download Disk Drill for Windows on your search bar and click OK. All of these are the options which you can use to download the Disk Drill. I think up to now we are together. So after downloading or after download Disk Drill, install it and then just open for using. So this is the Disk Drill for data recovery. As you can see, this panel is for detection of all disk drive or hard drive which is present in computer. This different hard drive will be detected like USB drive, hard disk, and so forth. So this is my hard disk, and this is Windows disk C, which is installed Windows. As you can see, this is my disk, which is a 1 terabyte. So after a detection of hard drive in computer, you can select, you can click on hard drive you want to do data recovery. After doing that, you can search lost files. So let me create a folder on which I will recover all of my lost file. Let me name it as recovery. So this is a folder on which or in which I will recover all of my lost files. My focus in recovering lost file, I want to recover 2 videos which was deleted by myself. I want to recover 2 pictures which I deleted, and I want to recover 2 document which is of Word document. So these are the contents which our application will recover. It will recover pictures, it will recover videos, it will recover audio, document, and archives. As you can see, one document is detected. Oh, this is genius. It's going about 200 pictures are detected. Yeah, if you click on that, you can preview all detected item. Here the pictures. Okay, here you can see pictures. There is icon. I want to retrieve .jpg pictures, so let's wait. Okay, if you click on video, you can see one video is recovered, 3 audio are have been detected, and these are the documents which are detected. So let's wait. Here you can see this is like this is for previewing, so you can click and the preview. Okay, these are our documents. So let me select these docs I want to retrieve. Let me come here at video. I will recover MP4 videos. Here, as I said, or I have said, I'll recover .jpg pictures. So let's wait. It's just the matter of time. My application won't let me down. So when you are waiting for these files to be detected and recovered, I want to insist you that do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. As Motech YouTube channel need your cooperation. Motech YouTube channel need more and more and more subscriber, so don't mistake on that. Let's wait. Okay, videos. I want MP4 video. Yeah, so these are the videos. If you click on that, you can preview. If you click on that, you can preview. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Yeah, MP4 videos. Let's see on picture. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait for it to the drive. As I've said that we'll recover 6 files, 2 videos, 2 documents and 2 pictures. So I'm waiting for good videos which can be easily yeah, this is video as you can see. So here you can preview it. It is working good. This is my video. You can yeah, so these are my videos. So let me select this video uh, and this video. So up to now we have selected about we have selected 4 files. We have selected 2 videos and 2 documents. I'm waiting for pictures. As I have said that I want to recover .jpg pictures. So let's wait. Let's wait for pictures. Let's wait because I want to recover 2 pictures which were which were deleted. So let's wait. Yeah, it's just the matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Everything will be okay. Here there is audio, MP4 audio, which was deleted. Here press for videos. Here pictures. Let's wait for .jpg pictures. It is just the matter of time. I hope everything will be right. Everything will be right. So as I've said that you remember to create a folder or location where your recovered items or files will be kept. So let us wait. Let us wait for .jpg pictures. Let's wait. Let's wait for JPG pictures. Yeah, archives, different archives, zip policies, zip files, lal. So we are waiting for pictures uh, to be scanned so that we can we can we can recover them. So let's wait. So this is how you can make your recovering of lost files. You can make a custom scan. I mean, you can select maybe one location to scan, or you can scan the whole PC. If you have found or if you are satisfied with files uh, collected, you can stop scan. So yeah, I'm so happy. Go to GPG pictures, many photos is detected. This is photo number one. Let's select it and wait for another pictures. So this is the same picture. Let's wait. Yeah, let's wait. So I have selected one picture. This is the second picture. As you can see here, six files are selected. So I can stop the scanning because I've found all files I want to recover. So click option to recover, then choose the location. Where do you want to recover? I can select this is a folder to recover. Click OK and start recovering. As you can see, recovering is finished. So I can close here, go to my folder, yeah, open it, open. Wow, this is genius. So these are the pictures we have retrieved or we have recovered, which were deleted in previous days. Here there are documents. As you can see, this is our document. You can close. Here is our video. Yeah. So, so everything is fine. We have successful recovered. We have successfully recovered 6 files. Two video, 2 documents, and 2 pictures. Thank you for watching. This is Motech YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.